Hello, good day guys. Good day sa inyong lahat. And again, this is Don Carl and we're still here at Wickenburg, Arizona. So, yun. So ngayon, habang nandito tayo sa Wickenburg, try nating libutin yung town nila or try lang natin i-visit yung mga nice places dito. So, samahan niyo kami sa video. And also, I got my friend here, my brother from another mother, Archie.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog.
So siya may-ari ng bahay na pinagstayhan namin dito. So siya rin yung magdadrive para sa amin. So yan, kababata ko yan. And also, Ma'am Shitin is here.
Hi, with the tiger scarf.
And
Keyshawn with a good hat.
and also I got Dong DeAndre here. Dong DeAndre. So guys, samahan niyo kami at maglilibot-libot tayo. So keep on watching.
Oh. Sige, go.
No one's just squeezing.
Yes, please.
Let Mama squeeze it. I don't like it squished.
Ojo, basta nga, kadrive ako sa Amerika.
No? As sorry.
Driver yung sikad. Tawag ko na ako asawa ko, yun ba? Kasi ka na magdrama-drama ka, ano siya. Drama na po ka.
Oh, ba, Jay?
Ano mo na.
The connected issue.
Ito mo, wala ko magtakong na. Sa una, driver na tawag kong sikad sa pumpuna. Nag-drive na mo auto sa Amerika eh.
Ah, lahira, Jay. Lagi na yung mga kuwan, mga pangandoy na. Tigil na ito.
Oh my God.
At the stop sign, take a sharp left turn onto West Wickenburg
Busy
Way.
ng Ginoo eh. Super.
What's this guy? It's Simon. But is it phase 1 or phase 2 or phase 3?
Please.
What do you call him? What do you call him? Yes, it's Simon, but I was here before.
Was here before.
Oh, I was.
Kaya mo na lang, tabangan. Bigi ano to. Daan na liya.
So, andito na po tayo. Naglibot-libot na tayo sa...
So ito yung town nila.
ito yung Ay! It's so big.
Look at this.
Sobrang daming cactus dito.
Look at this.
Wait.
dude. Okay.
Hinahanan nila ang mga pinirisol na sa una.
Oo ba?
It's a statue.
You can go there if you want to and take pictures. Dulo to.
I said tonight.
Outlaws are chained to this tree. Tara.
Ay, museum nila eh. Wala.
Pwede picture na mo.
May cactus bro.
Hello. Ito na lang.
So, ito pala yung ano,
Ito.
museum.
May malaking cactus doon.
Where?
There.
Ah, there.
Bro. Cactus kami. So yun nga guys, nung pagdating namin dito, na ano ako na-amaze ako sa mga cactus, sobrang laki. Tsaka sa mga movie ko lang nakikita. Yung mga ganitong klaseng cactus, sobrang laki. Ito. Try mong picture muna. Here.
Stand there.
So guys, try nyo, i-compare yung size ko sa cactus. Diba?
What is the nature?
Sobrang laki.
It's already closed.
Okay lang sa dili daw.
Oh my god, look at that. Wow.
Asa to sunod?
Ito na, simbahan.
Sige, lakaw-lakaw na to.
Picture kayo also.
Ang skina na, dagang
Look at that.
mga
Then look at that car.
vintage na jeep.
Banos-banos na be.
Di ako ito ipaturang sa kanan.
Ang ambisa na sa bata be.
Okay, go, follow, dada.
Can I come with that? Can we cross now?
Okay, go. Go.
That's a train that went past.
Faster, Sean.
Look at this. There is a city.
So, ito po nila ano, town hall nila.
Hey, look at that! Look at that! Look at this!
Is that a real one?
No, it's not. Is it a statue? Well, then we think
It
it's
looks like
scary.
real.
Then is it scary?
Yeah.
Statue. I'm making a rock statue.
Yeah.
Look
Town
at that
hall
door.
of
Then look at that.
Wittenberg.
That goes back.
Wittenberg.
That's a lizard. It's commandos.
So, kung nasa mga sa mga movie na, yung parang mga cowboy na lugar, ito yun.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Susutog ko.
Ano sa man, nga natin suoton?
Nga ni ba? Kaminggaw mga short.
Hmm.
Ano yung simbahan si Masang, San Antonio.
Kani?
Ah,
Doon lang. Ay no?
That's a church.
wait.
Zebra.
Yeah.
Like brick.
What's that?
Or yeah. Sit down, no?
Oh, may ano din sila dito. Catholic Church.
Yan yung ano namin, patron saint sa
Cebu.
Cebu.
San Antonio.
Sitio namin, sitio.
San Antonio de Padua.
Look at that bird just going away.
Kasi mo, labang ta?
Ano?
Labang ta, Choy?
Saint Anthony of Padua.
Nang misa niya sa English kay alas 10 sa buntag.
Oh.
Nang mas 12 kay Spanish.
Ah, sunod.
Nangara na ulo yun ang itong train.
Why? I told you.
Kita ka gamay na GP dali, gamay na GP dali. Tingnan na nga dia bro.
Mhm. Ano ba?
Look, vintage.
Vintage sa kanan bro.
Look at the other one.
Mm.
Naman tadi apa payat putih.
Which one?
Ligar mas ay. Pero
Lagi. Gun Trader.
It's all closed. Yep. It is closed.
niya lagi di parking.
What? Oh, this steam engine.
Nato ta?
Hindi.
Wow.
Pwede nila bro. Murag ka lang. Remember silang mapan.
No fish.
Flags mo.
Ako lang ikuan. Ano mag-zoom ani?
Music down ka?
Full ka, Argy.
Ayaw ikuan. Music down? Sit down. Better.
Mama, look at that steam engine.
Ah, she's my fish, yeah.
Mama,
Duto tanaw na.
remember the pic?
Ako yung mo on ba dili siya magana.
It's like a building. Look at that steam engine. It's the same picture.
Just like Zane, kanan na yung iya.
Mama, Mama, that's in that picture. Mama, that's the same picture. Yeah, I got. 761. 761.
What do you mean 761?
It's the same.
Where?
Just like that.
And then? May makaraan na mga train.
Kanan may narasan.
Oh, did you know about this train? Oh, yeah.
Is it a steam engine train?
Oh, yes, it is. It is. 761. It's super young. Super young. It's Arizona's railroad legacy. That's a steam engine.
Yeah, it's a steam
Kuan
engine.
kay ano? Kuan na kini. Spanish kaya pang Guadalupe.
See, I told you, it's a steam engine.
Mm.
Tarungan bola. Okay. Lagi ni gilot ko nila. Ligit naman to.
I'm broken now.
I'm broken na.
I'll go down na Dino. No, Papa.
Kita tuyok eh.
Makatuyo di apunta dito sa kuan? Town hall?
This steam engine's kind of old from a long time ago.
Hmm?
This steam engine's old. From
That's
a
why
long
they're preserving it.
Kuan na no?
They put it as
Put it in a cage.
Nasa brewery dito.
they put it as what do you call that?
Usually ang mga stores.
It's like a museum, you
No,
know?
usually ang mga stores ba kay 5 p.m. mag-close?
Nere?
They
5 p.m.?
as
5.
Mura like UK.
Yo, Dada, this steam engine's kind of real. It is real.
City na ba? Sa city na?
Oh.
It's really close.
Sa 5 na gusto gani.
Oh.
That's the Saturday or every day? Every day?
Look at the hills. Oh, it's a
Doon
star.
naman ka ha.
Pusil ba ligaro.
Dito. Ay, pwede mga store dito.
Hmm. Makakuan jud ba?
Diba ka nang yun kuan yung kuan ko na yung store.
I think we're all about
Ito ba? Ako jay. Mo di ba sa train?
that wasn't yet.
Sige,
That
na
wasn't
rin
yet.
pag.
We were going in circles.
Ay sabi.
Look at that. That Dodge Challenger. This is the Dodge Challenger.
Kaya mga to Goodwill.
Look. We're back where we're going in circles. Look at
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, I told you.
Yan lang, hihina naman ito, kay 25 naman ito.
No, it was from walking.
76 miles.
Paano na po dito, sir?
Hmm.
That's the place.
Why is it empty then?
So quiet. It's slow and quiet.
Is that the ship like where we go? Grocery store. Is that the ship? Well, now we're going to the grocery store.
Karon di sugo na rin ang promotion dala city ang tingnan mi
Promotion sound sa man.
mga bata ba na nakutol tilang sula elementary.
Oh, what?
Tulog si Arky.
Ay pa kay city ba sing
Nanay po tayo.
sa mga una Goodwill o sa CBS.
Goodwill ba?
Goodwill o nga talaga Goodwill.
I want to look somewhere else.
Saan sa RG3? Because RG sleeping man.
Sleeping?
Yeah. Nag-get hard today though.
Is it
Huh?
good? Is it good?
Not like
Will?
that.
Yeah, it's Goodwill.
This is like a healthy shop.
What's that? What is
Ang yaku-yaku.
woman?
Ito today yung palito na.
Everything is
Hmm.
woman.
Okay guys, okay. Huh?
Nalang ako yung mga anigod. Wala ko ikan mga cotton.
Go.
Ato. Ano? Sama na yung size. Igor-gor nila ko. Ano ba?
Ano?
Kita tong kuhan niya. Logic. Berato kayo pero $13. Sa Walmart.
Ano?
Oh my God, we spent $165.
In Walmart,
Walmart.
but in Goodwill.
Only 13. Dami na.
And we're here.
Moro di gituyo
And we're
di
finally here.
Pari on the day tree.
And yun, tapos na yung ano namin.
Gala sa
Very short gala sa Wickenburg town. So yung town nila, yung para nakikita mo sa mga movie, yung mga cowboy, cherva, ek. So ganun guys, it's a very nice place by the way. So we enjoyed. Nag-enjoy kami. Sama yung mga kids and yung ano natin, bossing.
Kung sa di mo
So guys, again, don't forget to like and share the video, and also just
That's day
no
2.
the ring nasa
Ay,
the
kuwan.
bell button. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and this is the Zafra TV. Adios, and watch out for more videos here in America.